Historic bankruptcy could be over before Thanksgiving. That's the request to Judge Stephen Rhodes in the city's closing arguments today. 7 Action News reporter Jim Kirchner has been in federal court all day long and joins us now live from downtown. So, Jim, did they make their case today?
Made a very strong case, but Judge Stephen Rhodes has made it clear he will issue his ruling on this next week. A lot of this has been made easier because of two major settlements with two Wall Street creditors. Just within the last few weeks, both of them had more than $1 billion on the line. They went from 6 cents on the dollar to 13 cents on the dollar. There are still thousands of individual creditors, mostly retirees. Two of them argued within the last hour that they oppose the city's plan.
We shouldn't even be in this as retirees. You know, it's a violation of the state constitution. Kevin Noy ain't nothing but a crook.
They're still challenging and hostile, not happy with annuity, pension, and health care cuts. $7 billion in debt is being written off with federal law trumping the state constitutional protections on pensions. A first.
He's the only judge that saw fit to include pensions. I mean, you know, if you look at the Stockton case, it was excluded. And now they're paying very careful attention to Detroit.
15 months after Detroit filed the largest municipal bankruptcy in U.S. history, what the city attorney today called radical, with all creditors against them, it's now reaching the finish line. The majority of 23,000 retirees voting in favor because of the grand bargain, $816 million to soften their cuts and save the city collection from being sold at the Detroit Institute of Arts. That includes a state financial review commission that will oversee Detroit finances after bankruptcy. Detroit's plan also includes spending $1.5 billion over 10 years to improve city services. The city attorney today called the plan skinny for everyone, no one leaving a nickel on the table. Judge Rhodes must determine if the plan is fair, but also feasible.
At the end of the day, are there enough funds to get this city moving forward in the right direction? And that's basically what this judge has to determine.
So after 15 months, this process is ending today with this last hearing, the ruling coming out next week. We are told that Emergency Manager Kevin Orr will come out from court and talk with us once these closing arguments are done. We'll have that for you next hour at 6. For now, I'm live downtown. Jim Kirchner, 7 Action News.
Look forward to that.